Today we're working on a 2009 Infiniti G37 Coupe, and we're installing an NIS8VL2. We're going to be showing how to hook up the steering wheel control wire. It's going to be behind the radio here. We've gone ahead and taken out the screws, and obviously all the dash pieces here. There's 2 screws up here, 2 down below, and then this actually just pulls straight out. We've got some plugs back here. So we're going to go ahead and unplug this first, the AC box up here. Some of these plugs might actually match up with what you have from our T-harness, so make sure you do not plug our T-harness into this white box up top. It's not going to work if you do that. Now that we've got those removed, we've just got all the lower portions down here for the actual radio itself, and the one that we're going to need is all the way over here on the side. And we've actually already got it hooked up so we can show. So as you can see, we've kind of cut back the factory shielding or sleeving here, and we've gone ahead and tagged our wire into the pink wire right here, and I'll tilt it this way so you can kind of see. The pink wire is right here, and so it'll depend on the orientation of your plug and which way you're looking at it as to which side it goes to. There's also a document that we send with the NIS8 that'll show you exactly what pin number it'll be for you. And we've military spliced that in here. All we did was simply cut a little bit of the shielding back, or the sleeving for the wire here, and then we've twisted our wire around it. It's supposed to go behind and then around the other way when you're doing that, and then just put some electrical tape around it. And after that, you can put everything back together. We'd like to run the wire out this way, and then we'll tape it all back up so it looks factory, and we've got our steering wheel control wire here. Alright, we're going to show you how to go ahead and test to make sure you hooked up to the steering wheel control wire. For that, you're going to need a multimeter, and then there's the 20-pin connector here on the MCF NIS8 cable. There you go. And so the wires that we're going to be using are going to be the black one, which is going to be on this back side here in the corner, and then the green one, it's going to be right here, so right next to the lime green one. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Put our red one in there. And then the black probe will go into the black wire. There we go. And now you can just set that kind of to the side. And you'll notice if you have your multimeter on the ohms position. There we go. You'll be able to see that there's a resistance, and then if we press any of the steering wheel control buttons, that'll actually change. You can press and hold any of the buttons realistically for the radio. You'll notice it'll start to change in resistance, and then it'll kind of go back to where its baseline is. That's a great way to tell that you do have the correct wire.